Edge, BJ, Rain, Pinga, tsaka si Roel. Tapos sa Team B, Dem, Hunter, Pau, Chakli, Sik. Sabihin ko na lang yung score, di mo na ako magsusulat sa whiteboard. Start. Take 2 points. Take 3. Wala. Rebound by Pinga. Pass to Ruel. Ruel taking 2 points. 4-0. 6 to Dems taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Dems ulit. Dems.
Uy.
Steal by Pinga. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by turnover. Bola na.
Kabila.
Team B. Score 4-0. Boss Dogs. 9 minutes and 14. 6. Pass. Steal by Pinga. Pinga. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Dems. Last 9 minutes. Dems. Pass to Chakli. Chakli pa rin. 16 seconds to shoot. Turnover. To BJ. 2 points. 2 points by BJ. 6-0. Dems taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Pinga ulit. Pinga. Turnover. Bola na. Team B. 8 minutes and 20. Score 6-0 in favor of Team B. Chuck to Sik. Sik taking 2 points by Sik. 6-2. Urge taking 2 points by Urge. Dito, tama. 2 points by Urge. 8-2. Wala. Rebound by Pinga. Yan, okay niya. BJ, pass to Roel, back to Pinga. Wala. Putback is good. 2 points by Pinga. 10-2. 10-2. Sila. Ito sila, sila. 10-2. Oras, 7 minutes and 44. To Dems, 2 points by Dems. 10-4. Ruel, pass to Rain, taking 2 points by Rain. 12-4. Intercepted foul by Chakli. 7 minutes and 13. 12-4 in favor of Team B.
Ilalim mo, dalawin natin. Wala ibabaw. Natulo.
Tubingan sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Rain. Wala rebound by Sir Hunter. Sir Hunter. Dribbling the ball. Crossover. Sir Hunter. Pass to Chakli. Chakli. Pabasa sana. Chakli pa rin. Wala. Rebound by Chakli. Sa ilalim. Chakli. 2 points by Chakli. Kalahati. 12-6. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Urge. Back to Urge. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Pinga. Pass to Pink. Ruel taking 2 points by Ruel. 14-6. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Chakli. 15 seconds to shoot. Chakli. To ano sana, boss pa na naagaw ni Chakli. Chakli. Naagaw ni Chakli. To Sir Hunter, to Dems sa ilalim. Dems kumalabaw. Dems. Pass to Sig. Sig fake. Sig back to Dems, taking 2 points by Dems. 14-8 in favor of Team B. 5 minutes and 47. Ruel. Alley-oop pass to Pinga, 2 points. 16-8, kalahati. To Sir Hunt, taking 2. Wala, rebound by Urge. 5 minutes and 28. Tuwin, nakuha pa rin ni Pinga, 2 points. Last possession before change. 18-8, lamang lang na 10. To Sir Hunter, wala. Rebound by Pinga. Pag na-shoot, change na. BJ, wala. BJ pa rin. Foul. Pag na-shoot, change na. 18-8 in favor of Team B. BJ. To Urge. 7 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. 5, 3, 2. Change. Score. 18-8. 4 minutes and 42. Foul. Boss Pau. To Sir Hunter. Back to Boss Pau. Boss Pau taking 2. Wala. Foul by jersey number. Taas ang kaway.
Hey, alin, backdoor.
Jersey number 701. Si Idol. Sir Hunter. Taking his move. Sir Hunter sa ilalim. 2 points by Sir Hunter. Napakagandang galaw doon. At sa inyo ng tinapay at almusal. Salamat sa inyo. The 18-10. Shoutout sa mga batang Southfield dyan. Mga idol, ang ating best team noong nakarang papawis na. 20-10. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 points by Pinga. Chakli, taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Sir Urge. 3 minutes and 52. Urge. Last 17 seconds. Urge, sumay step. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Debs. Nahuli ni Ruel. Sa'yo na Well. Wala. Rebound by Sir Urge. Putback is good. 2 points.
Ay, wala. Ulit.
22-10. 22-10. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Foul ulit. Number 1. Pangalawa na yan ni Idol. To Boss Pau. Ang ganda. Boss Pau tumiran. 2 points by Boss Pau Jimenez. 2 points. 22-12. BJ, 19 seconds to shoot. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. To Pinga. To Sir Urge. Pull away shot. Wala. Rebound by Boss Pau. Back to Chakli. Chakli nagmamadali. Chakli. 2 points by Chakli. Lumipad. 22-14 in favor of Team B pa rin. Alley-oop play ulit. Pinga taking 2. Wow, good shot by Pinga. 2 points. Boss Pau, 16 seconds to shoot to Sir Hunter. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Sir Hunt, pass to Debs sa ilalim. Debs, step back. 2 points by Jen Debs. Di ba tawaran? Ang lupit mo, idol. 24-16. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 points by Pinga. Nakakarami ka na, idol. Ang lupit mo. 26-16, 10 lang. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Chuckley, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Ruel. Ruel. Sa kanya na Ruel. Huli. Huli. Pero di gulo. Nice basket. Oras, 1 minute and 55. 26-16 in favor of Team B. 2 points again by Pinga. Chuckley sa ilalim. Huli. Huli. Good. 1 minute and 45. Huli si Chuckley. BJ. BJ. Foul by Sir Hat. First personal foul. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Sana all ah. Pinga taking 3, wala. Rebound by Boss Pau. Di na labas sa bola. Bola ng Team A. 28-16 in favor of Team B. Shout out kay Sir Pat. Next game kaya Sir Pat. Thank you so much. San, apat lang kayo dyan, San? Apat lang kayo? Apat? Sa inyo Sir Pat. 2 points by Chuckley. 18-28, last 1 minute and 15 seconds. BJ making his move. BJ block, pero may foul. Foul by JM de Matawaran. First personal foul. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Taking 3. Ruel. Wala. Rebound by Pinga. Sa ilalim. Pinga. Sa kanya pa rin. 2 points by Pinga. Wow. Ang galing. Ang lakas mo, idol. Last 51 seconds. 30-18. Grabe yung scoring natin Parang mga may init na atog Ang iinit. 30-18 na. 50 seconds. Debs. Back to Chuckley. Step back 3. 3. Atid sa inyo na Metro Manila po ito. 30 more seconds. 21-30. 29 seconds. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Rain. Rain sa ilalim. Back to Sir Edge. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Debs to Chuckley. Mag-isa si Chuckley. Wala. Turnover. Bola ng Team A. Team B pala. Last 16 seconds. Last 16 seconds. 30-21. To 14 seconds to BJ. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 2 points, 4,